Hey, Chef Austin here with EverythingKitchens.com. Today we're going to be testing the USB-powered airlock vacuum sealer. So here's what the airlock vacuum sealer came with. We've got the airlock vacuum sealer itself. So this is a very small unit, very lightweight, and it is USB rechargeable. So you can plug this into your computer, very easy. On the back here, we have the button that activates the vacuum. Hear that? That's the air coming into it. And underneath is where you're going to line this up. So this is where the air is going to suck from, and you're going to line this up on their specially designed bags, which are right over here. So there's the air valve. This will line up right on there and suck out all of the air from these bags. And it does come with a few starter bags. So it does have about 4 double-sized gallon bags, and these are reusable, washable, and they seal up at the top. So quick note about these bags, you'll notice this message that says, "Do not fill beyond this line." And that is because the airlock actually needs to be pressed firmly down on the flat surface in order to suck out all the air. So quick tip there, but these bags are reusable. Like I said, they've got a nice double seal right here. We'll open this up. Ooh, hear that air? And our food comes back to life. We're gonna have some fun with this, and we're gonna vacuum seal some food. So the airlock isn't too difficult to use. There is no nozzle or audible click when these two pieces are together because this is flush on the bag. So if you don't see it start to vacuum seal immediately, give it a couple seconds, and if you still don't see anything, just try to realign this, and then once you start to see everything start to go together and the air come out of that bag, you know that it is vacuum sealing. When you are doing something marinated or that has a lot of liquid, you're going to want to use this vacuum extender. And it installs right on the back, just like that, and now we're ready to go. So the airlock vacuum sealer did a pretty good job. I've got a nice vacuum seal on both a wet and a dry ingredient. So this is awesome because it's not a giant piece of equipment that you have to store. You can just literally toss this in your drawer and forget about it until you need it again. So if you have any questions at all about this product, let us know in the comments. And if you want one yourself, you can get it from our website at everythingkitchens.com. The link will be in the description. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give us that like and subscribe to Everything Kitchens for more chef unboxings and reviews.